Welcome. Today we're going to walk you through the simple steps to add notes to favorites in Outlook on your PC using the latest update. This feature is perfect for keeping your important notes just a click away. Let's get started. First, open Outlook from your browser. Once the application is loaded, look at the top left corner of the page. You'll see 3 horizontal lines. This is often referred to as the menu icon. Click on it to expand the navigation pane. Next, locate the section labeled Notes. You'll find it listed among other options like Mail and Calendar. Once you spot Notes, look for 3 dots next to it. These represent additional options. Click on those 3 dots, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Add to Favorites. With just one click, your notes will now be added to your Favorites section. This makes them easily accessible whenever you need them. And that's it. You've successfully added notes to favorites in Outlook. This quick and easy process ensures you can manage and access your notes efficiently without digging through menus or folders. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps streamline your Outlook experience.